Hi there. So today we're preparing my easy peasy chicken pasta. This meal has a lot of ingredients that can help lower your blood pressure. So this meal consists of chicken breast, red onion, garlic, red pepper, sun-dried tomatoes, baby leaf spinach, courgette, Kalamata olives, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, passata, high protein chickpea pasta, and then to season we have basil leaves, lemon, and ground black pepper. So let's get started. So first we slice the onions, 1 clove of garlic crushed, half of a red pepper cut into thin strips, slice about 3 or 4 pieces of sun-dried tomatoes, chop up the spinach, half a courgette chopped, cut olives into halves, cut cherry tomatoes into halves, cut the chicken breast into narrow strips, add all the vegetables and the chicken into a casserole dish. So red onions, crushed garlic, red peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, cherry tomatoes, courgettes, olives. Then mix everything together, then add the chicken, some black pepper, and then lemon juice, then sprinkle with oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. Cover the mixed vegetables and the salad with passata, then cover with foil. So place in preheated oven for about half an hour. After half an hour, take the vegetables out of the oven and stir. Let's turn over the vegetables and the chicken. Return to oven for another 15 minutes. Measure out pasta, medium heat, boiling water, cook for 5 minutes. Drain pasta and set aside. There we have it, a roasted vegetable. And just add the roasted vegetable and the chicken to the pasta. Garnish with some basil leaves. Looks delicious. So there you have it, my easy peasy chicken pasta. So I hope that you're able to make this amazing dish in your home. If you have found this video useful, please click on the like button. And if this is the first time that you're visiting this channel and you want to get future videos that relate to the DASH diet, please subscribe and hit the bell notification. And always aim to keep that blood pressure low. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.